How to transfer money from gift card to Cash App. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Visa gift card to Cash App. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the problem is that there is no way you can directly transfer money from your Visa gift card to your Cash App, but there are some ways you can do it through. So the first way is open up any browser on your device and then search for best websites to sell gift card. Then go to this website, top 10 reviews, best gift card exchange sites. Then here you can go to these sites, Raise or this website, and then you can sell your gift card for money, and then you can use that money through your Cash App. Now the second way is to open up your PayPal. Then once you're in your PayPal, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Then here tap on payment methods. Then here tap on link a card. Enter here your Visa gift card number. Then here tap on select your card type and select Visa. If it's Visa gift card, then enter your expiration date, security code, and then tap on link card. And after you have linked your Visa gift card, you can transfer that money to your Cash App. And so this is how you can transfer money from gift card to Cash App. Thanks for watching.